Hello everyone, this is Tiffany from the Smart City Project office, and right now we're on our very last tour of 2022 Smart City Summit Expo right here in Kaohsiung. This is a smart healthcare tour, and we're going to check out two very interesting companies. So right now, here we are at Inventec Appliances Corporation, and right next to me is Anderson, who is going to show us and actually demo their solutions right in front of you. So hi Anderson, can you tell us a little bit about your company and your solutions?
Hello everyone. My company is Inventec Appliances Corporation. This is our Chiline HomeCare System. So now we can start to introduce our product for everybody. First, we will introduce our blood pressure monitor. This is blood pressure monitor. This is the blood glucose monitor, and this is EKG monitor. Okay, first we will show our blood pressure monitor. Okay, and just put on the cuff and press, and the Bluetooth will connect. Then we can choose. We can create account for every family. Each one has his own account, like wife, husband, grandpa, grandma, etc. And now we choose one and press start. This is a battery capacity. Now it's 100%. We can use for 500 times. Now it's keep on. It's keep on monitoring. Okay. When the okay, we can see the result, and then the every time it will keep in this. Okay. And now next we will show the EKG monitor.
Okay, and right now Anderson is going to show us their second solution that will enable you to actually conduct your own health checkups right in the comfort of your own home. So the beauty of these applications is that all the devices are connected to the internet. This will allow you to basically just be anywhere before you could do it. Okay, so now we're going to demonstrate. So for the next thing, we're going to check out ECG. Okay, so after Anderson puts the devices on me, we'll be able to check out my ECG with the internet connection.
30 seconds. Sorry, this the cable, this resting mode cable, and we test 30 seconds. It's 5 seconds waiting. Yeah, and the record is starting, and we can also see the landscape. Yeah. So you are very healthy. So, okay. Oh, you're right. Okay. And Because you are moving, so the signal has some situation.
Okay, so Anderson is showing us what happened after the measurements are actually taken. So here we have an app to show all the data. Is there anything else you would like to add, Anderson? Can you tell the audience?
And we have a blood glucose monitor. Let's try this. This one.
All right, and now we're going to move on to the third demo, which is the device to check our blood glucose. So this one is a little bit delicate. Anderson will spend some time to set it all up. And again, these devices are there to help us conduct health checkups in the comfort of our own home. It will be very useful, especially nowadays when remote healthcare is becoming a new trend. Okay. All right, so I'm going to move over.
We will try the blood glucose, and let's try this.
Okay, so Anderson, you are going to demo for us. Okay, so you do it. So what happens is Anderson is going to sanitize the finger and then use the different testing instruments to check out the result for his blood glucose. So with solutions like this, training will be absolutely necessary. So after setting up, he will extract a little bit of blood from his finger, okay, as what you will do normally in your home. And with that, simply use the test instrument to absorb the blood, and then the device will be able to analyze in a mere seconds. Okay. And after that, we will see the result. Anderson, can you tell us about the result?
Yeah. The normal range is under 140 units. Now I am over the standard level.
So, blood glucose level a little bit higher than normal. All right. And then we're going to check out all the health logs from what we conducted beforehand. So thank you so much, Anderson. So to help you understand more about Inventec Appliances and their solutions, we're going to check out a short video. And after the video, we'll come back to live to answer some of your questions. So let's check out that video.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Inventec Appliances Corporation. I'm Austin Chang. Today, I'm really honored to introduce you our Chiline multifunction physiological measurement system. We have 3 medical devices to measure 5 vital signs. We have blood pressure monitors, blood glucose total cholesterol uric acid monitoring system, and ECG recorder. All of these 3 medical devices have obtained the following awards: 2020 Symbol of National Quality, 2021 Taiwan Excellent Award, and 2021 IF Product Design Award. And right now, let me show you more about our products. This is our Chiline multifunction physiological measurement system. This is our blood glucose, total cholesterol, uric acid monitoring system. It's able to monitor your 3 vital signs just by changing the test strips. This is our ECG recorder. You can use ambulatory mode to monitor your ECG for lasting at most 24 hours. Or you can use resting mode to monitor your ECG for a short period, like 30 or 60 seconds. The final one is our blood pressure monitor. It's very easy to turn on like this. And it's also able to detect atrial fibrillation. And right now, let's move on to our video.
Cardiovascular disease is an invisible killer, and hypertension is the #1 cause of it. Simply measuring blood pressure is not enough. Accurate measurements, comprehensive records, family care, and professional services are 4 of the most important aspects in monitoring and controlling blood pressure. Chiline Blood Pressure Monitor works seamlessly with the Chiline HomeCare app and perfectly integrates all 4 elements. The device is also able to detect arrhythmia, offering an added layer of protection. Hyperglycemia, hypertension, and hyperlipidemia are common risk factors of chronic diseases. Diabetes, hyperlipidemia, and gout have become common diseases of affluence. Aside from implementing diet control and making lifestyle changes, routinely measuring blood glucose, total cholesterol, and uric acid is critical in understanding whether progress has been made in risk factors control. Chiline Blood Glucose, Total Cholesterol, and Uric Acid Monitoring System is a portable medical-grade device that provides trustworthy results. One can measure all 3 indicators simply by switching to the corresponding test strips. The device offers comprehensive records of results and analysis, easing the process of health monitoring. Blood pressure records is not the sole predictor of heart problems. Chiline ECG Recorder provides a portable way to measure heart conditions 24/7. The device offers instant analysis for medical-grade ECG, so users can discover heart problems in advance. Chiline Multifunction Physiological Measurement System, together with the app, highlights 5 product features, including 24/7 portable medical monitoring, comprehensive health and wellness records, stress-free family care, IoT healthcare services, and secure data with cloud storage. This system enables advancement from personal text recording to smart cloud management, offering healthcare management for both personal and familial needs. What used to be scattered information is now integrated into a comprehensive measurement system.
Everyone, this is Tiffany, and we are back on a smart healthcare tour, and here we are at Inventec Appliances Corporation. Right next to me is Anderson, who just showed us a lot of the solutions from their Chiline HomeCare System. So Anderson, one question we received from the audience is that who are the users of your Chiline HomeCare System? Can you tell us more about it?
Okay, all right. We can see the picture. Our client include family use and client and the hospital user. Family can use our free download app and upload the data to the cloud, and the cloud can push data to hospital. The system can connect it together. All right.
Thank you so much, Anderson. So for the audience online, if you're interested in knowing more about Chiline HomeCare System, please be sure to fill out the survey form on top of the chat room, and we will put you in touch with Anderson at Inventec Appliances Corporation. So this is the end of our first stop at the Smart Healthcare Tour, and we will see you very soon. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Smart Healthcare Tour here at the 2022 Smart City Summit and Expo live in Kaohsiung. We're at the very end of our tour, and here we are at AdvMeds. Right next to me is Johnson, who is going to share with us their newest solutions and also some of their global references. So, Johnson, what do you want to tell us?
Okay. Hello guys, this is Johnson and I am the Managing Director from AdvMeds. So AdvMeds is a health ID company and we focus on digital health. So we can provide you an efficient way to build out your smart health technology. So first of all, if you talk about smart city, what will you think about how we provide for the healthcare? So for example, for this one, yep. So, yep. So, last year, I think we all suffering from the COVID-19 year. So actually this is some kind of a kiosk. It's like countless. So you see within only 10 seconds, we can capture your blood pressure, SpO2, even for the respiratory rate. So we understand during the COVID-19, we are trying to provide a countless technology that we can collect for the vital sign. And furthermore, if we want to collect the data for the blood pressure, because we know the chronic disease and sort of things. So you can see such kind of machine we usually put in the elder catering places, and they can use their national health insurance card. You know, in Taiwan, the national health insurance card, every citizen will have such kind of card. So based on the authorized, we can provide the data by the patient themselves. So we can collect for BP, glucose, and ECG. We already link with more than 70 kind of devices. So why we collect the data is because the data is the most precious thing that we can base on the data analysis and AI model to provide a user customized. And this is also some kind of a, we put this idea into a smartphone. Yeah, we put this idea into a smartphone. And so, for example, the health volunteer or home visit nurse, they can based on this smartphone to provide same like we can collect more than 70 kind of devices, and also we have 100 kind of questionnaire. So the idea shows we don't necessarily to bring a full box of paper system. You can use a smartphone and do quite a lot of things. So such kind of idea, we also have to link back to the user. So for example, every user, they can download the app, so they can see the result, everything, and furthermore, we can base on this data to use AI and guide the user to have a better lifestyle for their health. So I think this idea is what we want to show in Kaohsiung Expo, that how smart city to take care of the patient. As you can see, every citizen, they have the right to access their own data, and based on different kind of a data model. We already work with more than 20 hospitals and more than 20 clinics. They provide different kind of AI modules. Just for example, if you are a pregnant lady, we will guide you from the first month up to the 10th month, what kind of a service, what kind of health education, what kind of questionnaire, even just say hello, everything we can base on the AI service and link with the line. You know, in Taiwan, there are more than 89% people are quite friendly to use the line. So that's some kind of, we can reduce the manpower and use the AI, use the data to generate benefit. So this is what we want to share with you. And I think this, in the near future, everything could be digitalized. So you are the most welcome to contact with us. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Johnson, for the very detailed presentation. Yes. And now you probably want to see more of what AdvMeds is capable of. So let's check out a very short video, and then we're going to come back to live to answer some of your questions for Johnson. So let's check out the video.
健康管理关系到您与家人的幸福。慢性病为全球死亡的第1名危险因子，约有1/2成人受到威胁。最好的防范就是培养定期量测的习惯。欢迎使用智慧健康量测站，这是一台以公共建设为基础的多功能健康生理量测平台。欢迎使用智慧健康量测站，请选择您要使用的功能。这项服务提供各种生理量测数据收集与健康讯息的传递，请选择您要量测的设备。友善化的设计，让您只需要花费几分钟的时间，就能帮您的健康把关。智慧健康量测站整合多种登入方式，智慧卡、健保卡、行动 APP 等，让您快速登入与云端储存。透过站台提供血压、血氧、体温、身高体重等生理量测收集，并与云端系统连结储存。这些持续累积的数据，将来都可以透过资料分析来回馈提醒您的身体状况。利用手机扫描 QR code， 即便没有安装 APP， 也能透过行动装置查看分析报告。您也可以把 记录报告，设定传讯给家人或是自己。家人可督促长辈健康管理并定期量测。当您就诊时，只要授权同意，量测资料便可供医师查看，让医师更充分了解您的身体状况。养成定期量测的习惯，除了可帮助您管理您的健康状况，量测结果也可以透过社群互动通知您的好友圈，分享与互相激励，建立您的专属互助圈哦。智慧健康量测站启动了新时代的智慧健康照护模式，打造以智慧健康城市为基础的公共服务。透过与个人健保、医院资料、个人行动 APP 的整合，每位用户都可以更方便得到适切的健康照护讯息，并与医疗业、零售业、药局等结合，发送您关注的产品讯息与卫生教育新知，拿到精准照护、远距关怀的无限可能。
Hello everyone, we are back here on the Smart Healthcare Tour at 2022 Smart City 7 Expo right here in Kaohsiung. We're at our very last stop at AdvMeds, and right next to me is Johnson. So Johnson has just showed us a lot of their extensive solutions, and now we have received a question from the audience. So Johnson, who will actually be the users for your smart solution, and what are the real use cases? Can you share?
Okay, so far mostly we do the business with B2G and also B2B, mostly like a hospital, clinics, or some long-term care facility. So I think the case is now we jump into a digital world, and especially into the healthcare. So we don't necessarily to build everything start from the zero. So that's why our proposal is like we have the platform. We already linked more than 100 kind of devices and with more than 20 kind of modules. If you would like to use case management, use telehealth, it could be easy to integrate your solution. So that's the case how we propose to our buyers. So just for example, actually right now we already launched this project in 5 cities. So this is the first smart city idea, especially while we are talking about smart city, how to take care of the citizen and use such kind of idea through the app, through the communicate tool, through the kiosk. Then we can take care for such kind of things. And furthermore, we also do the overseas partnership with the overseas friends. So just like in Thailand, in Cambodia, in Vietnam, in Marshall Island, we can launch such kind of platform in a city plan or just in an organization. So we are quite flexible, can fulfill the needs, especially for different case. Yeah.
Now that is very interesting, and that will be something our audience will love to hear about. So you mentioned that you already have overseas partners in, say, Vietnam, Cambodia. Can you give us a more specific example of how you work with them?
Yeah, so I think we are welcome that if you are government or you are the policy maker, we are welcome to work with you to listen from your idea and also learn from you that what we can propose. And such since we do have the experience already launched the project in the city and will get quite user satisfaction about such kind of public service. So for the government officer, you are the most welcome to contact with us. And we also have a lot of partners that they already do the business, especially to provide for the hospital or health facility, especially for equipment or the service, especially software, system integration. So also you are the most welcome. You can deliver for those intelligence, smart technology. I think this is something Taiwan is good with health IT and medical care, that how we integrate such kind of a idea into a good solution. So that's what we want to share with you. So you are the most welcome. So welcome to search AdvMeds, and you can find a lot of successful story case that we wait for your feedback. Thank you.
All right, so you all hear Johnson. If you wish to get in touch with AdvMeds, AdvMeds, or get in touch with Johnson, please be sure to fill out the survey form on top of the chat room, and we will put you in touch with him right after the trade show. So thank you, Johnson. Thank you so much. And this is a wrap for our Smart Healthcare Tour, and also our very last guided tour for Smart City Summer Expo 2022 in Kaohsiung. This is a wrap, but we will see you next year. Thank you.